How to scan and vibrate on the Healy Resonance app. The Healy Resonance app, also known as the Heal Advisor Analyze app, has made it easy to scan and send frequencies to yourself or a client. There are two ways to accomplish this, but the easiest way is the following. Make sure you are launching the correct app first. The Heal Advisor Analyze app, or the Resonance app, has a blue dot in the bottom right of the icon. You'll see the explanation below. It is for number 1, creating clients. Number 2, recording their vibration. Number 3, analyzing their aura and resonant fields for alignment. Number 4, suggesting programs and remedies. And number 5, sending frequencies to their field. Launch the Heal Advisor Analyze app after pressing the icon. Press the disclaimer button. Press the round blue resonance analysis icon. Go to the individual you would like to scan and/or send frequencies to. Pick the database you would like to scan. There are 16 Healy databases to choose from. In this instance, we are choosing all Healy programs. Press the pink bar to begin the scan. Place your thumb on the screen. It is not scanning your thumbprint. It is there to establish focus and intent. In this instance, the person is resonating most with the fitness program. You can choose to go to any of the 5 programs listed, but we will choose fitness. You can return to the main menu to scan by touching the small icon at the bottom of the screen that resembles a heartbeat. There you will press the blue resonance scan icon again. We will locate the same individual again in the client list. We will go back to the databases and choose Healy Fitness this time. Press the Start Analysis bar again. Again, place your thumb as you did before. This process works the same if it is for yourself or for a client, whether they are close by or distant. Now we will see the results of scanning the Healy Fitness program for this individual. Here at the bottom you press Vibrate to send frequencies. Here you notice multiple options for length of time. The larger number on the far right on some of the time options with a Z at the end are milliseconds. We will now cut this particular session short. Not all programs are included in the Healy All Program scans. There are 7 other programs such as Bach flowers, amino acids, Materia Medica, Australian bush flowers, Alaskan gem elixirs, and Schussler salts. Each program must be individually scanned as opposed to all programs like the Healy programs. If you have not entered yourself or your first client, the process is very straightforward. Make sure at the end, after entering the appropriate information, that you click at the very bottom Synchronize Client Data and Related Analysis Data with the Cloud, and at the very top right where you see a check mark, make sure you touch the check mark. It will ask for a declaration of consent and if you would like to perform a new analysis. You've now learned how to do a resonance scan and how to send frequencies.